Taking flight, a new era of air travel. The future of air travel is here. It's not just about getting from point A to point B anymore. It's about a seamless, efficient, and revolutionary experience. Walker Passenger Aircraft is poised to redefine what it means to fly. Prepare for a journey into the next generation of aviation. Imagine stepping aboard an aircraft that takes off vertically, soaring above congested airports. Picture a cabin designed for ultimate comfort, whisking you to your destination with unprecedented speed. Envision a world where air travel is accessible, sustainable, and exhilarating. This is the promise of Walker Passenger Aircraft. This revolutionary aircraft is not just a concept. It's a reality built on cutting-edge technology and a bold vision. Walker Passenger Aircraft is set to transform the way we fly. Get ready to experience the future of flight. The Walker Passenger Aircraft is not just another plane. It's a paradigm shift in air travel. It represents a convergence of groundbreaking technologies designed to elevate the passenger experience to new heights. This is more than just an aircraft. It's a vision of the future. At its core, the Walker aircraft is built on the principles of efficiency, sustainability, and innovation. It's designed to minimize its environmental impact while maximizing passenger comfort and travel efficiency. The aircraft boasts a sleek, futuristic design that speaks to its advanced capabilities. Its aerodynamic form not only enhances its performance, but also contributes to its aesthetic appeal. From its inception, the Walker aircraft has been envisioned as a game changer. This is the future of flight taking shape. The Walker passenger aircraft boasts an impressive passenger capacity, accommodating a significant number of travelers while maintaining optimal comfort. This allows for greater efficiency in air travel, moving more people with fewer flights. With an extended travel range, the Walker aircraft opens up new possibilities for direct flights, connecting cities that were previously inaccessible without layovers. This not only saves time, but also enhances the overall travel experience. This increased range is achieved through a combination of advanced propulsion technology and aerodynamic design. The aircraft is optimized for fuel efficiency, minimizing its environmental footprint while maximizing its travel capabilities. The Walker aircraft is designed to cater to a variety of travel needs, from short regional hops to long-haul international flights. Its versatility makes it a valuable asset in the aviation industry, capable of serving a diverse range of routes and destinations. It's a true all-rounder. The Walker passenger aircraft benefits from the expertise and technology of Bombardier USA, a renowned leader in the aviation industry. This collaboration brings a wealth of experience and innovation to the project, ensuring the highest standards of quality and performance. Bombardier's contributions are evident in various aspects of the Walker aircraft, from its advanced materials to its cutting-edge avionics. This collaboration ensures that the aircraft is built with the latest technology and engineering prowess. The partnership with Bombardier not only enhances the technical capabilities of the Walker aircraft, but also strengthens its credibility in the aviation industry. This collaboration is a testament to the project's potential and its commitment to excellence. By leveraging Bombardier's expertise, the Walker aircraft is poised to set new benchmarks in air travel. This collaboration is a key factor in the aircraft's potential to revolutionize the aviation industry. It's a partnership that is shaping the future of flight. Section 5. Reaching New Heights. Real Altitude and Displacement. The Walker passenger aircraft boasts an impressive real altitude range, optimizing fuel consumption and minimizing environmental impact. This sets it apart, offering greater flexibility in flight planning. Its superior displacement capabilities ensure smooth travel even in adverse weather. Enhancing safety and reliability, it's a dependable choice for air travel. Combining altitude range and displacement, it minimizes travel time and maximizes fuel efficiency. This benefits passengers and contributes to sustainable aviation. The Walker aircraft is versatile, operating in a wide range of conditions. Its adaptability can revolutionize air travel, designed for the future of flight. Section 6. VTOL Technology. Transforming takeoff and landing. The Walker passenger aircraft incorporates vertical takeoff and landing, or VTOL, technology, a game-changer in the aviation industry. This innovative feature eliminates the need for traditional runways, allowing the aircraft to take off and land from virtually any location. VTOL technology not only enhances the accessibility of air travel, but also reduces congestion at airports. By eliminating the need for long runways, the Walker aircraft can operate from smaller, more conveniently located facilities. This revolutionary technology significantly reduces travel time, eliminating the need for lengthy taxiing and waiting on runways. Passengers can board and disembark the aircraft quickly and efficiently, streamlining the entire travel experience. VTOL technology also opens up new possibilities for air travel, connecting remote and underserved communities that lack traditional airport infrastructure. This expands the reach of air travel, making it accessible to a wider range of people. It's about democratizing air travel. Section 7. Propulsion Innovation, Powering the Future. The Walker passenger aircraft is powered by a revolutionary propulsion system that sets it apart from conventional aircraft. This innovative system not only enhances performance, but also minimizes environmental impact. The advanced propulsion system delivers exceptional fuel efficiency, reducing operating costs and minimizing the aircraft's carbon footprint. This makes the Walker aircraft a more sustainable and economically viable option for air travel. This innovative system also contributes to a quieter and smoother flight experience, enhancing passenger comfort and minimizing noise pollution. The propulsion system is designed for reliability and durability, ensuring the safety and dependability of the Walker aircraft. This advanced technology is a key factor in the aircraft's potential to revolutionize air travel. It's about building a future where air travel is both efficient and sustainable. Section 8. The visionary behind Walker aircraft. The Walker passenger aircraft is the brainchild of a visionary inventor with a passion for aviation and a commitment to innovation. This individual's dedication and expertise have been instrumental in bringing this revolutionary aircraft to life. Years of research and development have gone into the design and engineering of the Walker aircraft. The inventor's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of aviation technology has resulted in a truly groundbreaking aircraft. This individual's vision extends beyond simply creating a new aircraft. It's about transforming the entire aviation industry, making air travel more accessible, sustainable, and efficient. The inventor's leadership and dedication have inspired a team of talented engineers and designers who share a common goal: to revolutionize air travel. This collaborative effort has been essential in bringing the Walker aircraft to fruition. It's a story of teamwork and shared vision. Section 9. Financial Projections, a glimpse into the future. The Walker passenger aircraft has strong financial projections, indicating significant growth and profitability. Market analysis suggests a strong demand, positioning it for success. Its unique capabilities and advanced technology give it a competitive edge. This positions the aircraft for rapid adoption by airlines. It's a chance to shape the future of flight. Section 10. A call to invest. Partnering for progress. IIT Kharagpur has a unique opportunity to invest in the Walker passenger aircraft and transform the aviation industry. This is a chance to support innovation and the future of flight. By partnering with Walker Aircraft, IIT Kharagpur can accelerate the development of this revolutionary aircraft. This collaboration benefits both parties. Investing in Walker Aircraft aligns with IIT Kharagpur's mission of fostering innovation. It's an investment in a better world.